our lawn and fix our lawnmowers and all that stuff in El Paso. And really cool guy. And the chorus is weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. You got it?
No.
It's a little rough, huh? I just sing small engine repair. Take you to El Paso and this guy. I work right out of my own garage. I keep my own damn books. My wife's up there in the trailer house, mister. She's 46 and keeping her looks. Your lawnmower's needing the carburetor clean. Your air filter ain't sucking air. Leave it over yonder and call me in the morning. Small engine repair. Yeah, it's weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. That's your part. Yeah, I worked 12 years for the water department, ditch rider on an old white horse. You turn that wheel, you got irrigating water off the mouth of the mother source. Old catfish heads and old wind-blown apples a-blowing across the cotton fields. Back when a farmer worked 12-hour days and lived off his yearly weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. And if a man's heart was like a lawnmower motor, I'd have done pretty good with my life. Change the oil and keep the carburetor clean and mow down all the problems of life. I was born right here on the edge of West Texas, a mile off the Rio Grande. Yeah, I've done time, I can see you're staring at the skull on the back of my hand. Now time ain't nothing but a box of old parts on a rusted oak cement floor. And time ain't nothing but that muddy old river rolling out my back door. Yeah, now it's weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. Come on now. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. Thank you. Well, here's how